According to the White House, the American Society of Civil Engineers gave Florida a C grade on its infrastructure report card. A number of bridges and highways in poor condition. Say they call this bill the single largest dedicated bridge investment since construction of the interstate highway system. They've got Florida specifically receiving $13.1 billion in federal aid highway apportion program, $240 million for bridge replacement, and it goes on and on, the dollar figures for Florida alone. So the question is, by opposing this bill that has been worked on, as I mentioned, by a number of your Republican colleagues, are you preventing Florida from getting some of the federal money to deal with these big problems?
Oh, I'm all for infrastructure. I'm all for roads, bridges, airports, and seaports. Let's do that. Let's just do what we just talked about. Roads, bridges, airports, and seaports. And let's do it in a fiscally responsible manner. Let's don't go...
Yeah, let's not get all freaking high horse in there. Because y'all are just as guilty as the Democrats. First off, the bill that they're trying to expand on, actually, yeah, I should cover that.
And by the way, Nancy Pelosi has said all along, she will not allow this bill to go through the House unless they get their $5.5 trillion reckless tax and spending bill done at the same time. So,
all right, so that kind of, sets things up there. So, it's already 14,000 pages long, this infrastructure bill. And what's happened is states stole from the infrastructure budget, minus roads, which are evidence of the government's work. Basically, there's potholes on the road, where's the money going? But we don't see the plumbing, we don't see the substructures. And this is what's been neglected. And that's why things are at a C grade, because they've degraded. They were once an A grade, and they've degraded. We haven't been maintained, and which is why we need to just overhaul the entire system, because it's bound for failure. The structural integrity is jeopardized. One freaking false move, and anyways. So yeah, simultaneously, the plumbing and communication infrastructure has degraded to the standard, which is a C. The standard costs more to maintain over time than it would have been to maintain an above-standard system. Yes, there's more of an upfront cost when we overhaul a system, but the thing is, we can get our money back over time because we maintain it properly. Unfortunately, when we divert the funds, there are certain things, certain things go before, they become catastrophic failures. And so, the structure weakens, cracked pipes and things like that. The money went into the pockets of politicians. They need their government credit cards cut and to work from home like the rest of us. If they're going to force all this freaking staying at home lockdown bullshit. An open border allows super spreaders to enter, financially gain, and kill our country. Let me fix that. And kill our country. Fuck Biden. Well, anyways, take care, be safe, be kind, stay strong. And let me just...
everybody wants to talk about how they want to spend money. No one wants to be honest with the American public. They're raising your taxes. They're raising taxes on Americans. The middle class is going to pay for this. So they want to talk about, we want to go spend all this money. Here's the candy over here. But now that you have to pay for all that, we don't want to talk about that.
It pays to think like a capitalist. I spend with my channel for the duration of time. You understand. All of you newcomers, this is a good one.